Hey guys, so we're at the Silver Glen Springs. I got my hookah diving. You like it?
That is an incredible setup. How'd you do it? It's solar?
Yeah, it's solar and battery powered too.
Just fascinating.
Yeah, you
So it's
just
a
got.
portable pit. I'm really interested in the portable panel.
So
I love
you
to dive, and I've always thought of taking a hose. I'm a plumber.
So you got two pumps.
And they're awesome.
Yeah, 240 liters per minute.
Plenty of air.
Plenty.
Oh yeah, I'll build one. I'll make one copper.
Two of them. So how much for all the parts, roughly?
About $300.
$300. I'll sell that for 12. And the regulator. Now tell me about the regulator.
It's just a regular scuba diving regulator.
Okay. And you can attach with a clamp.
No. This is how it comes with the hose and everything. This you just attach it to the pump or straight to the the extra tank. And that's
So
it.
could you get into a cave with that, or how much?
Yeah. I went all the way down there.
Oh, that's awesome. Have a ball, man. That's great.
So yeah, guys, about to go underneath the water. A lot of people liking it. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Oh, so much people here. Woo! Oh yes. You guys, if you're interested in building something like this, heck of worth it. People love it. I love it. You can go down very far. What else do you need to have a little bit of fun? The water's just amazing. Look at this water.